we talked about earlier, with our phone network providers, and then the two issues on our side, which are the authentication issues and the crash bug issues. So they're working on that. We are going to be providing details this afternoon, though, on refunds for you for your tickets. So we're going to take care of that. And also, you know, I have to tell you, just on behalf of Niantic, this is obviously not how we wanted this day to go, and we know that you're being, you know, very patient with us, and we appreciate that. But in addition to having the path for refunds, we're also going to be crediting all attendees today with $100 in pokecoins in your we know that is a very, very, you know, small gesture. But we just want to, you know, just take it from us as a way to say, we're sorry, we did not envision the day going this way. We are working to get it all back, and you know, we'll go from there. So details on refunds will follow. More updates to come. Thank you.